Hello, everybody. I'm Linda, the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade. Let me see if I can turn the camera. There I am. Hello. How are you? Sorry, I got paint on me. That noise you hear is my husband. I'm dressed up in my Redskins clothing. See my t-shirt? There it is. That is Chief. He used to be the Redskins mascot, and he signed my shirt for me, and I have my Redskins cap on. Now let me tell you what I'm doing. We haven't had internet, and today I had a little this morning, and I was able to get so much accomplished. And this afternoon, I have a little internet, and I thought I would try to go on live. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing. Let me flip the camera back around. First of all, I'm resting today. You need to rest. Sometimes you need to just take a break and rest. I'm outside. See? That's the car. My husband's working on the car. He's cleaning the car. Gorgeous day. There's somebody going down the street, and you see the sky. It is a beautiful autumn day. I don't have on any makeup, and it's okay. Let me tell you what I'm doing while I'm resting. I wanted to paint the foundation of our house, and that's what I'm doing. Let me show it to you. There it is. I'm so excited. And I thought, since I had a little internet, that I would go on and show you what I was doing and work on it a little bit with you so you can take a break. You know, sometimes it's hard to take a break and just rest. When we go in today, we're going to be able to get started on my husband's dialysis, and that's going to take 4 hours. So we're kind of chilling before that. Now this is a butterfly, and let me tell you what I'm using. This is a product that's called patio paint. Decorate our terracotta. There it is. He put those up today. They look great. So while he was doing that, I thought I would come out and work on this. Uh-oh. There goes my paint. Let me show you my paint. There it is. Let me pick it up because it's windy. see, I didn't bring my easel because I didn't know I would be doing this. Let me see. There we go. Now, let's see if I can clean my brush and get started again. I thought I'd talk about being a senior citizen while we were on. I can truly say that this is one of the best times in my life. Yep, it is. You know, when I was younger, growing up a little girl, I wanted to be a brick mason. And when I tell my mom, oh, I'm sorry, that I wanted to be a brick mason, it was terrible. And then I wanted to be an artist, and I could never get into any of the art classes. Now that I'm a senior citizen with my online talk show, I can't tell you how many fascinating artists I have met and how many of them are instructors, and I'm gonna be taking classes. Isn't that amazing? You know, when you're younger. Hello, thank you for joining me. You're concentrating on just living and paying the bills. I still need to pay the bills. And I'm changing my business totally by God's amazing grace next year. But you know what? As a senior citizen, I get an opportunity to say the heck with it and do things like this. And I love it. Every bit of it. I just love it. This is a pretty color. I have a friend, Mr. Felly. I'm going to invite him to come to my page. He's so busy, I don't know if he'll come. But if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll be able to meet him. I met Mr. Felly and asked him to do an interview with me. And Mr. Felly told me the only way he'd do an interview with me is if it was spontaneous. And I told him that would be great. When did he want to do it? And he told me right then. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see Mr. Felly, and you'll find out who he is and how he made me go live with him right then at the spur of the moment for his interview. Since that interview, Mr. Felly has opened his own gallery, and I keep telling him as soon as my husband is well enough, we're going to come and I'm going to take classes. Because at his new gallery, he has classes. Who would have thought? As a senior citizen family, I'll be able to take art classes. So you see, being a senior citizen isn't as bad as some say it is. And I hear it all the time. Getting old is not fun. Some days it's not. But a lot of days, it is. And I thank God that I'm a senior citizen. So I wanted to share that with you. And encourage you to get some rest. Take a little time to do something that you just want to do. Just for the heck of it. Life is so short. Make your own self smile. Now I sprayed before I came out. And I guess it's about time for the spray to start wearing off, because I'm beginning to be surrounded by mosquitoes. We have a terrible mosquito problem, and the county is supposed to come out and spray. That's how bad it is since the all of the flooding from the hurricanes. So I don't know if you can see them, but I see them. Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous. This is a little butterfly. And my little boy is gonna have black hair. Just as soon as I can get to a store to get some black. I thought I had bought some black. I've been purchasing colors and just keeping them for the time I could come out and just start painting. And I thought I had about every color, but I don't have black. And this purple is beautiful. You know, they say one of the worst things to do is to watch paint dry. But I hope you don't mind watching me paint. That gentleman I was telling you about, Mr. Felly, comes on. Oh, now he's an artist. Oh my goodness. I know you probably have heard me talk about him before, but Mr. Felly has had a piece of art on the stage of every Tyler Perry play since Tyler Perry started having plays. Hey, Pat! How you doing today? Pat, I'm taking a little break today. We haven't had internet and I haven't been able to come on much And this morning I had a little internet and I was able to put some new things in my Etsy shop. And then I was able to answer a few people that had sent me messages. And today is the day we decided to kind of take a little break. So after I did that work this morning, Robert decided to wash the car. Let me show you. He's back over there somewhere. There he goes. See? It's a gorgeous day. And I've been wanting to get started on this. Oh, I guess ever since we moved in here. So since we were taking a little break, I said, okay, you work on the car, and I'm gonna work on the foundation. But I don't have all the colors. Let me back up so you can see it. That's the little boy. His hair is gonna be black, and it's gonna have some brown highlights. So as soon as I can get to a town, I'll get some black. And this is patio paint. That's my husband's telephone. And this is a daffodil.
What? No, it's not.
Oh, the mosquitoes.
I said, no, it's not.
I'm getting ready to go inside. The county is supposed to come out and pay us a visit.
It's Jim at Hostgate. Hello, sir.
Well, I got a call on my husband's phone, so I have to end now. But when I get my black paint, I'll come back and share some more with you. Have a blessed day, everybody, and take a little break for yourself and do something you love. Because, you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Bye-bye.